Hello, I'm Suzanne Yonesaka, and I will be speaking about research-based pronunciation teaching at JALT 2020. I look forward to seeing you at this interactive workshop on Monday, November 23rd. As language teachers, we need to do at least 5 different things to make sure that our learners are improving their pronunciation. And during this workshop, we will talk about the challenges and ways of meeting those challenges. First, we will talk about how to select the pronunciation features that need to be taught, and no matter what age group you are teaching. Next, we will look at the important idea of diagnosing our learners' pronunciation. It's so easy just to teach ad hoc, but we really need to have a roadmap for each learner. And we'll talk about ways to do this efficiently and easily. Then we'll talk about how to teach how sounds are made. Even for very young learners, knowing how the sounds are made is extremely critical. And there are ways to do this in an age-appropriate way. We'll talk also about how to integrate pronunciation activities throughout all the classes. Short, simple ideas that can constantly help our learners increase their awareness of phonemes, of word stress, and syllables. And we will end by talking about how to best support our learners' ongoing pronunciation development. So I look forward to seeing you on November 23rd.